Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start affiliate marketing with Etsy, full guide step by step clearly. To start affiliate marketing with Etsy, first, familiarize yourself with the affiliate program. Visit the Etsy affiliate program page on their website. Sign up for an account if you're not already a member. Fill out the application thoroughly, providing accurate information about yourself and your online presence. Once accepted, you'll gain access to unique affiliate links. Now, choose a niche that resonates with you and has potential on Etsy. Research trending products within that niche using tools like Etsy's search bar and Google Trends. Identify top sellers and their products to understand what works well. Create a content strategy tailored to your audience. Decide the format of your content, whether it's a blog, YouTube video, or social media posts. Incorporate storytelling to make your content relatable and engaging. Add your affiliate links strategically within the content. Ensure that the links are prominent but not intrusive. Consider creating review posts or videos about Etsy products you love. Provide honest feedback and showcase various features of the products. Use visually appealing images or videos to enhance your content. Optimize your content for search engines using relevant keywords. Share your posts on social media to extend your reach. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions. Monitor your affiliate dashboard to track clicks and conversions. Analyze which products perform well and adapt your strategy accordingly. Regularly refresh your content to keep it current and relevant. Stay updated on Etsy's policies and recent trends to maintain compliance. Network with other affiliates to exchange tips and insights. Always prioritize providing value to your audience to establish trust. Over time, refine your approach based on feedback and performance data. Consistency is key, so keep producing high-quality content. As your following grows, you'll see your affiliate marketing efforts translate into income. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.